Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these fruity chocolate squares. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your room temperature butter, followed by the granulated white sugar, and beat them together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. For this amount it should take around 5 minutes, but it may take more or less time depending on the climate that you're in. So if you're in a warmer environment it should take less time. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and then just repeat the process until all of the eggs have been added and the mixture is fully incorporated. It will become more liquid and that's completely normal. Add in your vanilla and just mix until fully incorporated. It should have a mixture that looks something like this. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to get the very top and bottom of the bowl, as this is normally where it collects for me. Then you can go ahead and add in the remainder of your ingredients, starting with the flour and salt, followed by your raisin agent, then your dried fruit and the cherries, and then your chocolate chips, and just fold these all in until you have a cake batter that has formed. And you want to be as careful as possible, as you don't want to overmix this, but you also don't want to undermix it, so just mix it until you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. Then transfer it into a 9x9 square kept baking pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and spread out the batter to get it as level as possible. Once it's level and consistent, you can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So fresh from the oven, you can go ahead and finish the tray bake off just by taking some chocolate chips and scattering them on top. Let them melt on and then let it cool completely. Then you can go ahead and cut it up into as many or as few portions as you would like. The choice is really up to you. So, if you want more portions, cut it into smaller portions, but again, it's really up to you, so you do you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.